Okay, I want everyone to notice something. Right now, there is absolutely no volume moving through the exchanges, and yet, but I can still trade. Like, see, like this is nothing. This isn't even moving. This isn't even moving. But I can click this and still sell, and it works just fine, and it eats up the order. So, I think I don't know. Sometimes I think about shutting the bot off on the weekends. That's what real traders do. That's what they do with their computers. They have families. They have people. Not everyone's like me where you're a bachelor. You can do whatever the hell you want whenever you want, right? Some other people have responsibilities. But on a weekday, on Monday through Friday, even if this is a shit coin, it's on Binance, it's still moving. Even shitcoin Tron. Shitcoin Tron's barely moving. I mean, there's a little bit of movement here, and this is like one of the coins with the most movement right now. Even Ethereum BTC pairs. This is moving. I mean, this has movement, but it's very, very low movement. So that being said, now is a good time where if we were to organize something, if we had the power to do it, it would be a good time for us to pump and dump something ourselves. If we all got together, if there was like 500 of us, I know I've heard of organized pump and dumps before. Normally they don't work out for a lot of people because you want to figure out, you know, you want to put your trade in and set a sell limit to it, and so when it gets pumped to that, it sells it automatically. Although Bitcoin, Ethereum here, Ethereum pair is looking like, yeah, Ethereum's looking like it's doing pretty decent. Looks like it might go up a little bit here, but we just don't want to panic and do anything stupid. I don't want to panic sell. I've already sold. I actually sold one of my deepest shit coins on accident. It was like BCQX or something. I was seeing if, because I thought my Binance was like frozen. I think this was it. Yeah. It wasn't moving. And I was like, let me click something. Boom, boom. And I thought I was only going to sell 50% of them, but I sold them all. So I just took a little bit of a loss on that. But, you know, my bot won't sell anything for a loss. And so, you know, you can let it sit in DCA and accrue shit bags for a couple days if you're patient, which is probably the smarter thing to do. Or you can sell it and maybe get your bot going again. And I made some trades. I made money off the Ripple pump last night. I think a really good strategy is to find out what coins are currently being pumped. Like, boom, there's a pump right now. Then, bam, I'll buy some of that coin and let Betty do the selling for me. So I'll just scroll these coins and see, you know, none of these coins are on Binance that I know of. Look, there is no coin that's in the positive that means anything. So let's not worry too much. I might just leave her on, let her go, and like freeze all my extra DCA bullshit. Just you know, let her go. So yeah, guys, good luck. Don't freak out, and everybody gets a shit bag. This is why I say I am no god. I am just a human. But hell, we've had our first day where we got plugged up with shit bags. Things to consider. If you're using a lot of pairs, which I am, I'm pair heavy. You know, I'm not afraid to be all in with the money I have here. But if it's not the same for you, then maybe you should work your settings a little different. Maybe we should change this to 300 Bitcoin volume in order to qualify. I've noticed a lot of these shitcoins still meet those characteristics, though. So I think we have a good shitcoin list here. I think we're going to build on this list together, folks. The EMA gain, my buy strategy, I mean, I just set it to -1.5. When it goes down 1.5, it starts trailing it by 0.355. When that 0.355 hits back up on the chart, then it'll buy it. But yeah, I mean, guys, we're in post pump right now, and so I don't always have all the answers, and I don't always know everything. But I can only just say that I think we're going to give Betty a rest for a little bit. we're going to give Betty rest for a little bit, and I'm going to continue to enjoy my weekend. And I hope you guys do too. So good luck. And I have my Discord link there. So don't be upset when I don't answer to you because I'm busy as shit and you guys can help each other. Don't give each other settings and stuff. I already kicked a couple people from the channel that obviously didn't know, I didn't believe were obviously professionals or experts just off of the questions they asked before, and they're throwing around files and settings from like all kinds of shit. You guys should be wary of my own damn settings. You shouldn't be sharing any settings with anyone. You should be studying. That's what you guys, everyone wants something for nothing. Not everyone, but a lot of you, a lot of us, I myself included. We want all the answers and everything to be perfect without doing any of the work. Hopefully I've provided some of that stuff for you guys here for a good few days. But guess what? The weekend comes, and that's when this funky-ass market shit hits the fan. So shit hit the fan. Shit bags hit the fan. And we can all hold hands, okay? Do a little dance. We're going to do a little dance. And pray to Jesus every night. Try not to sin as much as possible. And when you do, ask for forgiveness. Then you ask for what you want. Then you say thank you for what you have. And then say, dear Lord, were you trying to pimp this? I got this hoe, Betty. She's a nice hoe. She's my top bitch. Pimping this bitch out. I'm trying to pimp this bitch out. This is a fine. She's soft. She's beautiful. And we want to share Betty. So, but Betty's a little blown out. I can see why people stop their trading bots on the weekend.